This is Vision Urbanetic, a futuristic self-driving vehicle concept by Mercedes-Benz vans. This isn't an ordinary autonomous vehicle, however it has an electrically powered chassis that has interchangeable bodies that can be switched out depending on its intended use. Sleek and sophisticated with an innovative design, the Vision Urbanetic can transform into a ride-sharing vehicle with a people mover body that can accommodate up to 12 passengers. The cargo module functions as a classic goods transporter. It's also equipped with a super efficient variable load floor, which can be divided into 2 levels. Given this versatile cargo feature, the Vision Urbanetic can transport up to 10 EPAL pallets, which is a standard European pallet made of wood. This multifaceted new spin on a van is 5.14 meters in length and has a load space that is 3.7 meters in length. Mercedes-Benz vans has made a point to utilize the van's maximum amount of space. It also comes equipped with a lot of windows and a large panoramic monoroof that's surrounded by an LED light display. Its seats are configured in a circle with 2-level seating in the back of the pod. This revolutionary mobility concept, which made its world premiere in Copenhagen, also embodies an intelligent self-learning IT infrastructure. Its systems' architecture guarantees rude adaptation using real-time traffic information. Also, a part of the IT system is the operator's autonomous fleet management, which seamlessly plans and executes routes flexibly and efficiently based on current transportation needs. Customers and companies can download a user-friendly app to easily and intuitively register their transport and moving needs. Vision Urbanetic takes autonomous vehicles to a whole new level by merging passenger and goods transport into one multi-dimensional vehicle. The Vision Urbanetic offers on-demand, sustainable and efficient movement of people and goods, which is ideal for fulfilling the requirements of cities, businesses from diverse sectors, in addition to city dwellers and travelers. According to Mercedes-Benz vans, the Vision Urbanetic concept reduces traffic flows, relieves inner-city infrastructures, and contributes to an improved quality of urban life. Its electric drive and autonomous driving allows for the option to have late or night delivery without noise pollution and CO2 emissions. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.